For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The International Cricket Council has approved replacements in Test cricket in the wake of COVID-19. The Apex Cricket Board has also banned the use of saliva in order to shine the ball. ICC has also reintroduced non-neutral umpires for bilateral series as part of its interim playing regulations to tackle the threat posed by COVID-19 pandemic. Former Indian captain and batting legend Sachin Tendulkar has batted the introduction of a second new ball in Test after every 50 or 55 overs to 8 fast bowlers on flat or unresponsive pitches. Sachin's advice came after ICC banned the usage of saliva on an interim basis, which will make it even harder for the pacers. New Zealand skipper Kane Williamson has called Dhoni a special individual, saying that he is very focused on the game without being distracted. Veteran wicketkeeper batsman Dinesh Karthik also stated that Dhoni has always been an easygoing man and has a relaxed character. Former Indian skipper and batting legend Rahul Dravid has said it would have been difficult for him to survive in modern-day cricket, going by the way he used to bat during his playing days. Dravid further added that the batting strike rates today have gone to a different level, but he doesn't mind being termed as a defensive batsman. Former Indian all-rounder Irfan Pathan has said that racism is not restricted to the color of the skin. He further added that not allowing to buy a home in a society just because you have a different faith is part of racism too. Pathan has been vocal about his views on various social media platforms. Amid the rising COVID-19 cases in Pakistan, the country's cricket board has said that it would not be holding any training camp for the players before they leave for England. The PCB has asked the ECB to make arrangements for an advanced arrival of its national team in the UK. Pakistan Cricket Board has appointed the former Pakistan captain Yunus Khan as the batting coach of the national side for the upcoming tour of England. On the other hand, Mushtaq Ahmed has been appointed as the new spin bowling coach for the Pakistan side for the England tour. Former West Indies batsman Darren Ganga believes more rewards with less effort is the biggest reason why more professional cricketers are focusing on becoming T20 specialists these days. Ganga also added that T20 offers more money to the players with less wear and tear on the body. Afghanistan's star spinner Rashid Khan reckons the India's wicketkeeper batsman Rishabh Pant has all the shots in his books and it is extremely difficult to contain him when he starts getting into his stride.